You're about to see one very, very smart budgie. We never taught Pedro to do this. He just came up with this on his own. He likes to amuse himself, and then he finds things to play with, and this is one of his games. Do you want Mommy to play with it, Pedro? Look. Can I touch it? Am I allowed to touch your little bell? Look.
Silly birdie. Get it.
He said, I'm not stupid. I'm not going to do that again. Hey, baby P. Come on. Hey. Come on. Mommy chase Pedro. Hey, Mommy chase Pedro. Come on, Pedro. He doesn't want to cooperate. He knows I've got a camera. Hey, come on. Come on, Pedro. Mommy chase Pedro. Mommy chase Pedro. Mommy chase Pedro. Mommy chase Pedro. Oh, look at you. I'm just going around. What you doing? Are you playing chase with me? Hey. Hey, Pedro. Hey, Mommy touch Pedro's bum bum. Cutie 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 bum bum. Look at Pedro. Cutie bum bum. Cutie bum bum. Hang on, I'm going to swap camera hand. Hey, this is better. Cutie bum bum. Cutie bum bum. Mommy chase Pedro. Cutie bum bum. Cutie bum bum. Cutie bum bum. Hang on. Cutie bum bum. You run so fast. Come on. Going round and round. Peekaboo. Hello. Hello. Hey. Your turn, Pedro. You chase Mommy. Hey, come on. You chase me. Come on. Pedro, where's mommy? Where's mommy? Oh, peekaboo. Pedro, where's mommy? Oh, you're ahead of me. Look at you. Pedro. Mommy's chasing Pedro. Mommy's chasing Pedro. Hey, come on. Cutie, cutie, bum, bum. Cutie, cutie, bum, bum. Mommy chasing Pedro again. Okay, are you gonna clean up your mess? Oh, I'm tired, Pedro. Oh, I can't run as fast anymore. Okay.